I don't know this concept in a similar way, but I just want to recap some things here. So we're going to start with an example, 4 plus -7. And keep in mind, guys, this method might seem funky at first, but after about a dozen reps on your own, checking for the right answer to make sure you're correct each time, you'll have it down. Just have faith in yourself. Okay, so look, what we're going to do here is find out, hey, who's going to win the absolute value battle? Absolute value of 4 is 4. Absolute value of -7 is 7. -7 has the greater absolute value because 7 is greater than 4. So the answer will have a negative sign. I'm going to put that here in my answer box. The answer will be negative. So at least I'll have the sign correct, if not the number. Now we're going to do simple subtraction. And you're like, what does this mean, simple subtraction? We're going to do 4 minus 7. No, that doesn't look simple. I'd rather do 7 minus 4. That's simple to me. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer would be -3. Now going on to another example, let's do -3 plus 5. Again, first thing we do is the absolute value battle. Who wins this? The absolute value of -3 is 3. Absolute value of 5 is 5. 5 is the winner, and it's going to be a positive sign. Just a reminder, if there is no sign to a number, we assume it's positive. So the answer will be positive. I'm going to put that in my answer box right here, so at least I get the sign right. Now, simple subtraction. What's simple? 3 minus 5, that is not simple. 5 minus 3, that's simple. 5 minus 3 is 2. The answer is positive 2. Now for the last example, let's do some bigger numbers here. Let's do 14 plus -25. So first thing, we do the sign challenge. The absolute value of 14 is 14. The absolute value of -25 is 25. So that's the winner because 25 is greater than 14. So the absolute value of -25 is the winner. So that is going to have a negative sign as our answer. So I'm going to put a negative in my answer box here. Next thing I'm going to do, simple subtraction. Is 14 minus 25 simple? No, not so simple. But 25 minus 14, that's far simpler. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, cool. So the answer is -11. I'm actually going to erase this circle just so it's clear to my instructor that -11 is my answer to this question.